friends, come close. I have a few questions for Charlotte the chicken. How many eggs do you lay in a year? Female chickens, they're called hens, can lay up to 250 eggs per year. And here's a funky fact. Different chickens lay different colored eggs, like white, brown, green, blue, and more. Do mommy chickens talk to their eggs? Yes, mother hens talk with their baby chicks while they're still in the egg. They make a purring noise towards their eggs, and get this, the baby chicks inside the eggs peep back. Beep, beep. I heard that chickens are a lot like dinosaurs. Is that true? Yes, chickens evolved from dinosaurs and are actually the closest living relative to dinosaurs that exist today. Isn't that cool? Let me see you roar like a dinosaur. Roar! Whoa, can chickens fly? Yes, but not very far. We have short wings and heavy bodies, so it makes flying difficult. But that's okay. We love to run and walk, especially across the road. Oh, yeah. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side. Why else?
Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to beanstalk.co to see us live.
Beanstalk!